Hi, today I am going to explain 3 ways to create external and internal threads. So initially I am going to explain with a traditional method, that is spiral curve and sweep cut, and next with thread command, then cosmetic thread. So let's start now. So this is what I am going to show you with the spiral cut and thread command. So I've taken a new SoildWorks part file, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw center line, draw one more line, so this is 150. Now select this point and this point, make it vertical. $20. Now close this loop. So this is 40. This is 60. And this is also 60. Now go to features, revolve feature, and say OK. So it is automatically taking the center line. Now I am going to show you this traditional method with spiral and swept cut. So for that we have to create one helical or spiral curve. Select this face and we have to select this edge and convert entity. See, this sketch has been created. So we can see here, we can select this spiral curve. So it is creating in this direction, so we have to reverse the direction. And defined by pitch and revolution, constant pitch. So the pitch value, it is around 5, and revolutions taking 12. Angle, see, it is angle it is creating at this direction. So I want to show this vertically, so I am keeping 90 degrees, see here, so that I can create the profile at this location with the front plane. So it is clockwise and say OK. So clockwise and counterclockwise tells you about threading type. So select the front plane, go to sketch, say OK. So the starting of this curve is at this point, so we can give any profile. So for easy representation I am taking circle, so we can take any kind of groove. So this is 2 mm, and come out of the sketch, or we can straight away select the swept cut. See, we have to select this profile, that is circle, and this curve, helical curve, and rest keep as it is, path tangency under this, and say OK. See, I am going to hide this curve. See, so we can create the V grooves according to our requirement. So similarly, I am going to create external threads. So we have to go to helical and spiral, select this edge, this face and this edge, and convert entity. So we have to make sure that it is converted. So we can go once again here, again we can select. So it is automatically creating. So we will take similar wave which has 5, 12 and clockwise, and say OK. See, we have to make sure that it is at 90 degrees. See, this is 90 degrees, so that we can create a profile at this front plane. So select the front plane, go to sketch. See, I am keeping in wireframe. See here. So draw a circle at this location. So you can assign any value. Go to, so come out of the sketch, go to swept cut. So it has taken the sketch, and we can select the spiral. See here. So for easy representation, I have taken the circle. We can take any groove. So now I am going to explain about thread command. So either we can go from here the thread, or we can straight away go to the whole wizard and select this thread. So before that, I am going to suppress these features. So select the thread command. So this kind of pop-up is common, so simply say OK. Select this edge. So automatically it generates thread according to diameter. So blind I have taken 40, metric die and taken 20. Size. So here I am going to take 42 by 3. So as per nearest diameter, and see here it is thread method. If I select cut thread, so what is going to happen? So it is going to create. Sometimes what happens, so when we select this extruded thread and say OK, so it doesn't create. So do not worry, if you select it is not creating, then go for this option automatically and say OK. So next I am going to show you internal threads. Select the thread, select inside. So here also I have taken blind as a 40, and instead of 42 I am going to take 20. See here, 20 into 2, and rest as it is. So let's try with cut thread. See, it's not creating, so we have to select this and say OK. See here. See visibility, I'm going to on this. See here. So I've shown both the methods. So next method is cosmetic thread. So this method I have already explained in my previous video. So I am going to show you same video with the bolt and nut example. So I have already created this bolt and nut models. So let's go to the annotations, select cosmetic thread and select this edge. It automatically selects according to the diameter. It is M3 machine thread, and we can give the depth of the cosmetic thread. That's how we have to create cosmetic thread for bolt. Now let's create for nut. So select cosmetic thread, save OK. This is how we create cosmetic threads for internal and external threads. So this is brief about 3 ways to create external and internal threads in SoildWorks. Thanks for watching.